You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name and more. Confusing names too many people mispronounce. This one sounds actually somewhat similar, but anyhow, stay tuned to learn more. Zosia, Zosia, not Zosia or Zosia. Zosia, it's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, it helps me making more of these, and more videos for you here. Thanks for watching, I'll see you there. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.